Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit drawing in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Now I will edit this drawing. Firstly go to Tools option and scroll down, select this comment option. Now click on this drawing tool and select. Now you can increase, decrease this drawing. Also you can move in here. And this drawing tool color icon, you can change drawing color if you want and see this. Also you can change drawing line thickness and select the three dot option and select properties. Here you can change drawing opacity, see this. Also you can edit and remove drawing something here, this eraser to be using and see this. And also you can draw new one and change this color and thickness and see this. And finally select this file option, save or save as PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comment.